that, Dylan?
Wally plates.
Wally plates?
Yep.
What is that, Charles?
With black.
Wow, look at that. That's a nice shirt. Let me see it. Hold it up to you. Charles, you're holding the arm.
Yep.
Oh, wow. You like that shirt, Dylan?
Yep.
Okay. Give me.
Well, that's not the same thing.
What?
That's not the same thing.
Well, you know, I like to dress you guys alike sometimes.
I got 2 more left.
Okay.
How many do they have?
Well, you opened up a lot more before while he was playing around. Dylan has, I think, 2 more, I think. Headphones, yeah, probably supposed to get that.
I didn't get this gun. I get the other gun.
Which gun do you really want?
What's that one?
That's the really one you wanted? That's the electric one, right?
Can I have the other one? Yeah.